Here's a quick video on how to change your Apple ID password. Simply go to the settings icon and press on that. It opens up the settings menu. You scroll down until you see iTunes and App Store. Press on that and it opens into the iTunes and App Store. At the top you'll see Apple ID. Now what you want to do is you want to press on the Apple ID and it opens up this menu, and you want to choose View Apple ID. Press on that, and before they can allow you to change your password, you have to sign in with your current password. So simply type in your password, and once you have that typed in, press OK. Then it brings you to this menu right here, which is in the account settings, and at the top you'll see Apple ID. Press on that, and then it shows your current password and your Apple ID. Now what you want to do is backspace to erase your current password, type in your new password, and then once you've typed that in and verified that password by retyping it, in the upper right hand corner you want to press on Done. It brings you back to the accounting settings homepage. Then Done is also in the right hand corner. You press again and it brings you back to the settings and back to the home page, and you are done.